Hello, it is Heavenly Sita, also known as Typically Cosplay, and I'm going to be dyeing my hair with Splat's Crimson Obsession. Oh my gosh, I couldn't speak right now. And yeah, so the things you're going to need is clearly this box set. I'm also going to be showing you what the color looks like maybe in the same video at the very end. I'm like really bad at editing. So this is the hair color. It comes with the bleach packet, gloves, instructions, and the hair dye. I already used the bleach, so my hair is already really blonde, but if you check out my video before this, you can see the muted blue greenish color it was faded into, and that was after using the blue shade of Tintation. That's another Walgreens brand hair dye. So the things you're going to need besides what's in the set is a bowl and a brush for the hair dye. Mind you, you don't need these because since it brings gloves in here, you can definitely just do this all with your hands while wearing gloves, clearly, and wearing a shirt you don't care about. So like I said, my hair is really light, so this is going to show up really bright, and I personally don't really mind that, but if you want this to show up on darker hair, I'm pretty sure it should too, because I remember using this whenever I still had like really dark hair and it still showed, mostly whenever you're in the sun, not really like whenever you're inside like locations and stuff like stores. But if you want it to look really bright, then you should make sure that your base, or you know what you're working with, is a really light shade of blonde. So yeah. Also, the bleach that comes in this set is a little bit on the strong side compared to what you would get if you went to Sally's and you could actually pick out what the developer number being, like 10, 20, 30. I'm guessing the one that's in here is probably like a 40, just because it's like really strong. And the reason I say that is because like I put it on like yesterday and it like immediately made my scalp like feel hot, and so that doesn't usually happen unless the developer is really high. I'm no professional. Don't do what I do if you don't like the results. This is just what I'm doing with my hair because I like to experiment with my hair all the time. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into here. The only reason I'm doing that is because I don't have gloves. You might need to put on gloves, but since I used my gloves for whenever I bleached my hair, I don't have any more gloves with this set. So yeah, make sure to remember, if you use the gloves for the bleaching time, I don't know if you want to reuse those for whenever you actually dye your hair. Probably not, so you might as well just get like 2 sets of gloves. So yeah. Also, it has the top right here. You can cut it off and just like squirt it out. But I'm actually just going to pour it into this bowl like I mentioned earlier. This stuff will stain. Yeah, and the nicest way I can possibly tell you, this stuff will stain. It will get all over the place, but that also means it's gonna last a long time in your hair. The Tintation that I used from Walgreens was really nice. It faded really nice as well, but also bleached out really well. And the shade that I got, you can tell that it's really dark. And here we can swipe it and see what the color is gonna be on this rag right here. So you can see the color right there. It's like a deep burgundy, crimson-y color. And yeah, clearly it's going to be in like a purpley or pink shade because it is Crimson Obsession. We'll see if it actually looks like the box. Clearly the box might be slightly edited just to make it look bright. I mean, if you look really close, you can see in between their hair, it's like red. Like right in between where it's like supposed to be touching the white. So we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, I will show you guys what this looks like after I dye it. So just again, so you can see what it looks like, it is this brand. So we'll see how this looks. Bye. And I'll edit the last part where you see where I actually dyed my hair. And this is the final result for the hair color. I left like a streak of blonde here so you can see the difference in it. But yeah, it turned out a lot lighter than what I thought it was going to be. But that might just be because I had really bleached blonde hair. And yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Feel free to follow me on my cosplay account at Typically Cosplay, and or my personal, which is Heavenly Sita. Okay, bye.